Guys, doing a weekly outlook, posting it a bit late in the week as I was kind of waiting a bit more price action yesterday on some pairs. All right, so real quick, GU, this is a buy setup I shared last week with the mentorship students, a signal that was sent out, I think it was Thursday or Friday. Ended up doing about 300, almost 400 pips, 378 pips for a 1 to 10.8. We still have some profit running, and we've made around 9% up here. We secured around 9% around this 1.23 thousand level. So around 8 to 9% secured, a little bit of profit running as we look for more positions. But yeah, just want to share this with you guys. Beautiful, beautiful trade. We also took another position on NZD USD. Took a position here last week, which ended up doing a 12.5 for about 250 pips. However, ended up wicking us out at break even. Got in profit, but hit risk free. Wicked us out by like 1 or 2 pips here, and then just rockets it up. Kind of annoying, but is what it is. That's just trading, guys. So again, these are the types of trades, you know, we always catch in the mentorship program. Beautiful, beautiful trades. All signal share, broken down in depth. And then I guide you guys through it with how to manage your trade, whether it be with your entries, your profit management, things like that. So yeah, hopefully we had a great month in November, and looking to replicate that again in December. So looking at some pairs. So first pair I'm interested in, AUDCAD. Currently, I'm still bullish on this pair. I do believe it will actually break higher. I see it hitting 9.92500. I really do. I'm still holding position here. That's around a 1 to 10 for about 250 pips. I believe it's going to go higher. However, I am watching for a possible sell from this 0.91800 level. Okay, so if price can push back up in here, give some very convincing price action, such as hourly or 2-hour price action, I will be looking for a possible sell hedge from this level. Should price give that, an example of that would be something sort of like this, right? Be a nice little 1 to 3 down into here, and then back down to like 0.9000 would be a nice little 1 to 6, 1 to 7. Just because the pair is bullish doesn't mean it doesn't, you know, you can't sell it. Okay, just because think about it, every time a pair goes up, it must come down, right? Like, look how bullish this is. Like, you could have caught this whole move here, caught this move here, caught this move here. You don't need to just stick with the trend. It's definitely more of an advanced trading style. However, once you understand it, it's very, very simple. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for there. Otherwise, if price can end up breaking through here, I'll be looking for a break retest of this 0.91 sort of 800 level to take this up into 0.925. And even a little move like that would be an easy, what is it, like 1 to 4, 1 to 5, I think. Yeah, like an easy 1 to 4 almost, just about. So that's what I'll be looking for. Okay, so watching price here tomorrow as a bit of price action is needed, but something like this would be very, very clean. Even if it's just back down to here, and then we can maybe get the buy hedge. We have a few options there. But I'll as price begins to move into position and line up, I'll post about this in the public Discord. Another pair I'm interested in is I am actually watching for possible buys here on AUDUSD. I've since done a zone adjustment since my post this morning. I did post when I had a zone that was kind of through like this. I'm not going to chart up exactly, but it was sort of like through here, right? I was looking for buys, and then I posted that there was never any buy set up. It didn't really play out. No price action occurred, but since reviewing this further, I've decided I've charted like this, looking for a buy off of this sort of 0.68800. the 0.67 thousand region here. So watching this closely, this also lines up with AUDCAD. They are correlated for the most part. So if I can get something like this, for example, if price was to do, like I'm on the 1 hour right now, if price was to do something like this on the 1 hour, I'd be very tempted for a buy. Now, of course, price could always just blow through this and then move lower like this, and we could see a clean breaker retest to take this to the lows of like 0.66 thousand. But for now, just based on where price is at, I am favoring the buy setup. Now, you know, my outlook always changes depending on what price shows me. I'm never married to an outlook on a pair. I just simply flow with price, and that's how it should be as a trader. You should always, like a lot of traders, including myself back in the day, they do a breakdown on Sunday, and they're like, oh, the US dollar is bullish, so now I'm just trying to sell dollar pairs, right? But that's not right, because you know, it might look bullish on Monday, but then Tuesday, Wednesday, you could see a reversal. It could break a price point, and then you could spot that maybe the dollar might not be bullish. It might actually be having a corrective move, and therefore you can get in on buys, right? On like AUDUSD, things like that. So that's just my advice, guys, is never be married to a bias, a bullish or bearish. Just flow with price. And eventually, you know, it becomes very simple, guys. There's no emotion. There's no ego involved in trading. It's just price action. So that's what I'm looking for there, okay? A first target on this, actually, let me say, if I was to get in a buy from here, my first target would be, let's say I get in around here, would be up into this 0.68 thousand sort of region here. So that'd be a nice little 1 to 5. So we'll see what we get. But again, you know, if this begins to line up tomorrow, on Wednesday, I'll post more about it in the public Discord, okay, for you guys. Euro JPY, looking for a possible buy from this level, looking like a very clean break retest of this 1.43 thousand, 1.432. All right, so what I'm sort of looking for here is a price can push down like this and give a clean hourly 2-hour price action off this level. Looking for that buy to take this up into, so let's say something like this, for example. My next area of interest would be around this 140, was it 145 region, I think. Yeah, around this 144.8, 145 region, which again, a nice little easy 1 to 5. So definitely interested in this pair. This could give an entry today. Like, so if you trade Asia or you trade the early parts of London, this could be an entry that could present. Like, we only need a bit of price action here. Of course, assuming it gives it, but definitely high interest pair right now, okay? Another pair I'm interested in, Euro AUD, was looking like a sell was going to form here. It never gave through, so technically I'm looking for buys. Honestly, I'm not really interested in this pair right now, as I'm getting kind of mixed signals. So I'm going to wait and leave this for tomorrow to kind of review, okay? Because I'm seeing a lot of mixed signals here. This might be a fake out. We'll see. So as I get more price action throughout the week, I'll post about this. But for now, I'm just staying away from this. USD Swiss did a fake out here. So what I'm looking for is a pullback into this 0.94 thousand for a possible buy up into 0.95 thousand. So again, I think it's like a little easy 1 to 5, something like this. 1 to 4, 1 to 5, easy. So a bit of price action is still needed here though. Like, I want to see some clean rejections, hourly 2-hour patterns if possible, something like that, but still could be very, very clean. So we'll see what we get. But those are the pairs I'm sort of interested in right now. One last thing I want to talk about is coming into this week with news. There's really not much you need to be concerned about. Now, we do have AUD GDP growth rate news releasing later today during Asia. So just be aware of that, because that might bring some manipulation and volatility for like AUD pairs, NZD pairs, things like that. Okay, tomorrow we do have some news on what you guys be aware of, which is the CAD interest rate decision. So be aware of that. And then Thursday, Friday, there's really not much. Okay, so which is good. We want news. Like, all this news is good, but we don't want a lot of news that usually brings a lot of manipulation and sort of wicking, right? So that means we can kind of trade peacefully with peace of mind. So yeah, so that's what we're looking for. Okay, guys, I'll be posting more throughout the public Discord this week as these pairs move into position. One last thing is I am traveling overseas this Thursday evening, back overseas to Australia for a month, so I will not be posting on Friday, okay? So if you start to see setups, or I know a lot of you guys message me, I won't be on the charts or anything for Friday, but I'll be back trading as of next week. But today, Wednesday and Thursday, business as usual. Let's have a great week. I hope you guys had a great month of November, and we finished fucking strong. We caught beautiful trades on the last few days of November to really bring it in for that month. So beautiful, beautiful month. Looking to have another big month. I think we did I called around 40 plus RR in the entire month for the mentorship program. So trades called and trades caught 40% plus, which was amazing. So we caught some amazing trades. Looking to do even more for the month of December. So let's see what we get. That's it for now, guys. Hope you have a great week. Make sure, as always, you keep your risk management tight, and I will update with you guys as our setups move into position.